Welcome to the Unique Eagles Chemistry Competition. Battle 2, Team Instagram versus Team TikTok.
The first round, in case you're not aware, the YouTube team were not able to meet up due to network issues, and then we automatically disqualified them, and the winners were given automatically to the Facebook team because they were not able to meet up. You guys were able to meet up, and that is a good one. So which means we're going to play today on a fair ground. Perfect. All right, before we go into what we have, just like I said initially, the major aim of this show or this contest is to test three things or to discover three things about us. It's not just the contest, it's also to discover some things about us. And then we measure three things. One, your ability to work as a team, your ability to communicate, and also three, your ability to be patient or persevere in times of maybe things are not going the way you want them. So I have four people on the screen right now. We have to start from Timothy. Timothy, in this whole period of a preparation, in these three qualities that I have mentioned, what can you say about them to yourself alone?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You made mention of teamwork. My partner and I, we've been in touch. I mean, since when I got to know that she's my new partner, we've been communicating and we've not had issues. That's one. You talked about communication, right?
Yeah, communication, teamwork, and also perseverance, patience.
Yeah, we've been communicating. Though our communication has been limited to Instagram, but we've been communicating well. And in terms of persevering, yeah, we've been patient with each other, and we've not had issues actually towards this quiz competition.
Okay, perfect. Other side, I have a favor. Favor, he's your partner. What do you have to say? I know you joined them in a very short period of time. So what do you have to say about these three qualities that were the targets of this quiz competition? Would also like to know, going back to Joseph, during your process with Favor, and also you had one other person before now, only one Slimzy, and so I don't know, he had some engagement that made him pull out. So, but meanwhile, during this process, Joseph, do you think out of these three qualities, do you think your strengths? Do you think these three qualities are your strength, or most likely because for some reasons you believe that some are not your strength and some are your strength? What do you think about these three qualities, you in personal?
I feel they're actually my strengths. Like, I have this belief that whatever it is that I put my mind at, I can actually. So even when my partner was changed, I wasn't expecting it. We just needed to move on. We needed to move on. Like, there was nothing I could do about it. So I would say I didn't have issue with any of the qualities.
Okay, perfect. That is what I want to know. And also, Favor, how about you? First of all, let us know how your communication with Timothy. I know you started late. How was your relationship with him in terms of preparation? And also, let us know how those qualities applies to you in person.
I would say he's actually great. All talk about communication. Timothy is great, and the patience level, trying to explain things to me and all the rest. Nice. Someone I would want as a partner over and over again.
Perfect. That's nice. I can see Timothy's blushing already. Awesome. That's nice to know. It feels good to be praised and appreciated. I like that. That's great. So what do you think? Do you think these three qualities are your strength, or you think they are not your strength, or there are some that are your strength?
Yeah, some are my strength though. Like communication level is one of my nothing.
Okay. Favor's network is not good. So which means Timothy should be getting ready to back Favor up. From what I can see, both of you have a good working relationship, and so which means you should be ready to stand for her should her network messes up. So your network is very stable, so I believe she can bank on you. All right, so let's moving down to Prince and Good Luck. You guys had some time preparing. There've not been any changes between your working activities, unlike that of Timothy. So can you tell me these three qualities, because the major aim of this show is to test your teamwork ability, your ability to communicate, and also your ability to be patient or persevere in terms of tough situations. So what do you think about these three qualities with your partner over this time of preparation?
It has been really good. Communication, number one. Despite network issues, we'll be able to communicate. We have some good times together, so and being able to prepare for the competition. But like teamwork too, yes, we have like you'll be able to communicate well with each other. So yes, even with patience too, on patience too, it has been okay. Yes.
All right. So do you think these three qualities are your strength, or you think there's one of them that you need to work on, or two of them you need to work on? So do you think these three qualities are your strength? Team playing, communication and perseverance or patience, do you think they are your strengths or your weaknesses?
For teamwork, yes, we need to work more on that. For the remaining two, communication, yes, they are our strength.
Okay, no. I'm not saying our. I say you. This you now.
Yes, it's my strength, but I would like to work on more on my teamwork.
More of your teamwork. I like that.
Yes.
You're being honest. That's awesome. More of your teamwork. So that's good to discover some side about yourself. Okay, I like that. So good luck.
Yeah.
How has been your working relationship with Prince all this while? And in terms of communication, teamwork, and also perseverance. So how has it been so far?
Okay, the communication is being great despite the downfalls. We have still been communicating. Then as for the perseverance, yes, we do communicate very well with the teamwork. Then as for teamwork, we both relate with each other, see what we can do about today.
So, talking about you for your own self in personal, what do you think about yourself? Do you think this is your strength? Any of these three is your strength, or you need to work on any of these three?
The three are our strengths, sir. It's my strength.
No,
Sir.
the three is your strength?
Yes, sir.
So, which means you're sure you're good, you discover you're good in communicating, you're good in teamwork, and you're also patient and perseverant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So having known that, because that is what we need to know. So today we'll be getting your questions to you. This is how the question of the quiz we go. For those of you that were not here during the mock, so what we're going to be doing is you're going to have a pool of 20 questions to pick from. Okay, so we're going to start with the first question, which is going to be on the separation techniques, and then we'll go into take a little break, maybe 3 minutes break or 2 minutes break to get some fresh air, and then we'll come over for the chemical combination. Okay, and so in each of them you have 20 questions to pick from. So 1 to 20, you have 1 to 20 to pick from. So any number you pick from will be displayed on the screen, and when it's being displayed on the screen, I'm going to read it out, and then you guys going to give me the answer. It's kind of objective question. Okay, so you read it out, and then you give the answer. But then you have 30 seconds to give the answer. Okay. So I will time you, and when it's 30 seconds, the answer is not being given, then it's over. Okay, that will be 0 point for you, and each correct answer will go with 2 points. Okay, so there is no bonus. So if you don't get it right, you don't get it right. There is no like shifting it to the next opponent. No, we're not doing that. So it is you and you. Okay, all right, so that is what you need to also know. 30 seconds, and then you have 2 points for each of them, and then you have 20 questions to pick from. Having known that, let's keep it going.
Battle 2. Team TikTok versus Team Instagram. Separation techniques.
Before we move on, Prince, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Good luck. You're ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Timothy Joseph, you're ready?
Yes, sir.
Favor, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when the question is being allotted, I'm going to start with the Instagram team. I'm going to start with the TikTok team. Rather, the TikTok team, you have question 1 to 20 to pick from, and then I'll post it up here, and then we go from there. So now, over to you, the TikTok team.
Question 2.
Question number 2. What is the primary principle behind chromatography? A. Differences in boiling points. B. Differences in density. C. Differences in solubility and attraction to the stationary phase. D. Differences in size. What is your answer?
C. What do you think the answer is? Favor.
C. Sorry, C. Stationary phase. The answer is C.
Wait a second. I just want to be very sure. Whosoever is there, you are answering this question alone. You don't have anybody around you. I want to be sure of that. Please, I have to be sure of that. Good luck, Prince, Joseph, and Favor. You don't have anyone around you. I don't want to hear any second, because I think I'm hearing someone in the background. Please, okay?
Floyd.
Only my grandma and my little cousins are here. But I want them not to make noise, so there's
okay. So
inside.
All right. So I don't want any distraction. Good luck, please. Prince, please. If I hear any supporting answer in the background, you're disqualified.
Okay, sir.
All right. If I hear any supporting answer in the background, you're automatically disqualified. And when I say you're disqualified, it is you that will be disqualified. Your team person will remain there. Okay? So don't think that if you're disqualified, it will affect everybody. No, it will affect only you. And I will know, because it shows here, active speaker shows on the screen here. So I know where the voice will be coming from. All right? So stick to answer the question yourself. No external support. All right. So from the question, which of the what is the primary principle behind chromatography? The answer there is C. So that is 2 points for TikTok. All right. So now Instagram, that is your turn. What question are we going with?
Number 4.
Number 4. Which separation techniques can be used to separate a mixture of two immiscible liquids? A. Distillation. B. Separating funnel. C. Filtration. D. Chromatography. Your time starts now.
A. Distillation.
Yes.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Distillation. All right. Your final answer is distillation. Let's see. Said which separation technique can be used to separate a mixture of two immiscible liquids? Two immiscible liquids. The right answer to that question is separating funnel. So that makes it the wrong answer. So you got 0 point for that. So TikTok, your question.
Question 7.
Question number 7. Which of the following can be separated using a separating funnel? A. Salt and sand. B. Water and oil. C. Alcohol and water. D. Solvent and solute. Your time starts now.
The answer is D. Solvent and
D.
solute.
Solvent and solute. The right answer to that question is water and oil. So that is 0 points. So Instagram, what question are you going for?
Question 6.
Question number 6. Question number 6. What is a method called to separate a solid from liquid by heating the liquid until it evaporates? A. Filtration. B. Distillation. C. Evaporation. D. Sublimation.
C.
Huh?
C.
Say it, I can't hear you.
Good luck. What do you think is the right answer? C. Evaporation.
C is what?
Evaporation.
Evaporation. Is that your final answer? C, you said evaporation. So your number 6 question is, what is the method called that separates the solid from liquid by heating the liquid until it evaporates? You said evaporation. That is correct. All right. So now TikTok, what number are you picking?
Pick a number, Favor.
Number 9.
Number 9.
Number 9.
All right. Number 9. Which of the following method is used to separate a mixture of salt and water? A. Filtration. B. Sublimation. C. Distillation. D. Chromatography. Your time starts now.
C.
Distillation, Abi.
Yes, C.
C. All right. So C. Distillation. The answer is distillation. Correct. So that gives you 2 points. All right. Instagram.
Nice one, Favor.
Number 1.
Which of the following is a method of separating a mixture of two liquids with different boiling points? A. Filtration. B. Distillation. C. Chromatography. D. Decantation. Your time starts now.
B. Distillation.
B. Distillation. Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Final answer, distillation. All right. The answer is distillation. That's correct. 2 points. TikTok, what number?
14.
14. Which of the following is used to separate the solid particles from a liquid in a heterogeneous mixture? A. Evaporation. B. Filtration. C. Distillation. D. Chromatography.
B. Filtration. What do you think, Favor?
Yes, correct.
Filtration, your final answer?
Sorry, sir. Yes, filtration. B. Filtration.
Final answer, filtration.
Yes.
All right. The answer is filtration. That's correct. All right. So Instagram, what number?
Number 5.
Number 5. Which separation technique is used to separate components of a mixture based on their size? A. Filtration. B. Distillation. C. Centrifugation. D. Evaporation. Your time starts now.
C. Centrifugation. Good luck, are you there?
C. Centrifugation. Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Centrifugation, your final answer. Okay, let's see. The right answer to that question is filtration, so that's wrong. All right, TikTok, what number are you going for?
Number 10.
Number 10. What is the name of the process used to separate the component of a mixture by passing it through a medium that separates them based on their movement rates? A. Filtration. B. Chromatography. C. Distillation. D. Centrifugation.
What is the name of the process used to separate the component of a mixture by
Of a
passing it
mixture.
through a medium that's
Yeah.
based on their movement rate?
What do you think the answer is? I know it's between filtration and centrifugation. What do you think the answer is?
Sorry, sir.
Passing through a medium. It's filtration. What
Joseph, what did you pick?
Filtration.
Chromatography.
Is that the final answer?
Yes, chromatography. Joseph is chromatography.
All right.
All right,
So
all right.
let's see. The answer is chromatography.
Nice one, Favor.
That is 2 for TikTok. All right. Instagram, what question are we going for?
Number 8.
Number 8. What type of substances can be separated using the method of sublimation?
Using
A.
the method of sublimation.
Solids that are easily dissolved in water. B. solids that can transition directly from solid to liquid, solid to gas. C, solid with a high boiling point. D, solid that dissolved in organic solvent. Your time starts now. What's the answer?
B.
B, is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you said B is the final answer. B, solid that can transition directly from liquid to gas. That is correct answer. Number 2. 2 points. All right. So now, TikTok, your question.
15.
15? 1-5?
Yes.
1-5. Okay. Which process separates a solid from a liquid by spinning the mixture at high speed? A, centrifugation. B, filtration. C, distillation. D, sublimation. Your time starts now.
It's A, centrifugation. What do you think, Favor? Favor, are you there?
So the centrifugation, yes. Centrifugation.
Centrifugation? Final answer?
Yes. Centrifugation.
All right. Centrifugation is your final answer. The right answer is centrifugation. So that is 2 points for TikTok. All right. Instagram, your question.
Number 7.
Number 7. 7 is taken already.
Okay.
You have 3, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
12. Number 12.
Number 12. In which separation techniques is a principle of centrifugal force used? A, filtration. B, distillation. C, centrifugation. D, sublimation. What is the right answer? Your time starts now.
C, centrifugation.
Yes.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir. C.
Centrifugation. Okay. The right answer is centrifugation. That is 2 points. Correct. TikTok, what question?
Question 18.
Question 18. All right. Which of the following separation techniques would be most appropriate for separating a mixture of sand and water? A, filtration. B, distillation. C, chromatography. D, sublimation. Your time starts now.
Filtration.
Joseph, what do you think?
I think it's filtration.
What's the final answer?
Favor, are you there?
Your time is up already, though.
We'll go with filtration.
All right. So go filtration. And the right answer is filtration. So you got your 2 points. All right. Instagram. What question are you going for?
14.
Question number 14 is taken already.
Question number 3.
Number 3. Question number 3. Which method is used to separate an insoluble solid from a liquid? A, filtration. B, distillation. C, sublimation. D, evaporation. Your time starts now.
A, filtration.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir. A, filtration.
A, filtration. Okay, that is the final answer. All right, let's see. The right answer is filtration. That's 2 points. TikTok, what question are we going for?
Question 20.
Question 20. What separates the different components in paper chromatography? A, density. B, solubility. C, boiling point. D, particle sizes. Your time starts now.
The answer is density. Density A. Favor, are you back?
Is that a final answer? Final answer, density. Let's see. So the answer is solubility. So that is 0 points. Instagram, your question.
20.
Question number 20 is taken already.
19.
19. Which technique is used to separate a mixture of alcohol and water? A, filtration. B, distillation. C, centrifugation. D, chromatography. Your time starts now.
Distillation.
Is that your final answer?
Distillation.
Final answer?
Yes, sir.
Final answer, distillation. Let's see how that goes. The right answer is distillation. That's 2 points. TikTok, what number are we going for?
Number 11.
Number 11. What type of mixture can be separated using distillation? A, 2 immiscible liquid. B, a liquid dissolved in a solid. C, a soluble solid in a liquid. D, 2 miscible liquid. Your time starts now.
What do you think the answer is, Favor?
2 miscible liquids.
D. Yes.
2 miscible liquids. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Final answer, 2 miscible liquid. Let's see. The right answer is 2 miscible liquid. That's point number 2. All right. Instagram. What question are we going for?
13.
Which process is used to remove salt from sea water? A, filtration. B, chromatography. C, distillation. D, evaporation. Your time starts now.
Prince, what do you think?
A, filtration.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Final answer?
Yes, sir. A.
Okay, so your final answer is filtration. Let's see. So the question is, which process is used to remove salts from seawater? And the answer you gave is filtration, but the correct answer is distillation. So that is 0 point. TikTok, what number are you going for?
Joseph, you can pick.
Number 17.
Number 17. In the process of distillation, what property is used to separate substances? A, density. B, boiling point. C, solubility. D, color.
Boiling point. B. Favor, what do you think? Favor. B. Boiling point.
Boiling point. Is that the final answer?
Yes, Joseph, what did you pick?
B. Boiling point.
Boiling point. I have no idea.
We are going
Yes,
with B.
sir.
Boiling.
Boiling
B,
point.
boiling point.
I'm not sure.
Okay, so the final answer is boiling point. All right, the correct answer is boiling point. 2 points.
Yeah. Nice one, Joseph.
Thank you.
Instagram, what number are we going for? You have 11, 13, and 16.
16.
Okay, 16. Number 16. Okay. What is a technique called when a solid is heated and changes directly to a gas without passing through a liquid state? A, sublimation. B, evaporation. C, condensation. And D, filtration. Your time starts now.
A. Sublimation.
A, sublimation. Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. Correct answer is sublimation. 2 points. TikTok, what question are you going for?
11.
Question number 11. Question 11. What type of mixture can be separated using distillation? A, two immiscible liquid. B, a liquid dissolved in a solid. C, a soluble solid in a liquid. D, two miscible liquid. Your time starts now.
I thought this question has been asked, sir.
But it's different
Yes.
number.
Yes,
Oh,
I
wow.
think so.
Should we still answer?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You just go the question as far as it's not one number repeating itself again.
Two miscible liquids, sir. D. Abi, favor.
Yeah, D.
Two miscible liquid. It said two miscible liquid. D. All right. So one thing you should know is even if it repeats itself again, it doesn't matter. As far as you know that the question is there, it can repeat itself. You may be lucky to get one question twice. So it's your luck. Okay. So it doesn't matter if it repeats itself again. It's the number you pick that's being called for you. Do you understand that? The correct answer is two miscible liquid. You're lucky it appeared twice for you. So that's good for you. All right. So Instagram, what number are we going for? We have only 13. So no need of even speaking again because you only have 13 to go. So let me read the 13 out. Which process is used to remove salt from seawater? A, filtration. B, chromatography. C, distillation. D, evaporation. Your time starts now.
C, distillation. C.
Final answer?
Yes, sir.
And the final answer is distillation. That's 2 points. Perfect. All right. So at this point, we are done with that question. Applaud to you guys. You guys did great. And while you're here, we're going to call the result for this phase, the separation technique, and then we'll see the position you are, and then we'll come back again after 3, 4, 5 minutes. Just refresh your head because I know heads are boiling right now, even me too. So then 5 minutes, we'll come back again, and then the results you get in the next stage will be added to this stage. Everything together will determine who wins at the end of the day. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Wow. This is a tight contest. Very, very tight contest. Now, at the end of this first phase, TikTok team, 18 points. And then at the end of this first stage, Instagram team, you have 16 points. That was close. Just one question difference. Wow, that's awesome. All right, so we'll go for a break. 10 minutes, we'll be back. Everything's going to remain like this. In 10 minutes time, we'll be back again. So we are back. All right, good. I think they're back. I can see Prince is here. So left with good luck and favor. All right, we have good luck here, so we need favor.
Battle 2. Team TikTok versus Team Instagram. Chemical combinations.
Okay, and so just to remind you, in this chemical combination, you should have a piece of paper and pen. If you don't have any, you may not have if you don't want to, but it will help you to be able to make things easy for you to answer some of these questions. So I would encourage you to get a piece of paper and pen. 2 more minutes, we'll be starting. If she's not here, then Timothy, you have to cover up for her until she comes in. So in 2 minutes, we'll be starting. Who started the first one? TikTok, you started the first one, right?
Yes, it was TikTok.
TikTok, okay. So this time Instagram will start. All right, so Favor is here. Favor?
Sir.
Like where you were away, I told them to get a piece of paper and a pen. It will help in this stage of the chemical combination. It's not a must, but it will help. Just a suggestion. Now, welcome everyone. I really want to encourage you. You guys did well. It's a very tight and very close competition. So this final stage is going to help you guys. For those of you that are already TikTok that's already on the lead, this final stage will solidify your lead. For Instagram, this final stage may give you a chance to come up and balance the whole system. Okay, so both of you have equal chances to come at top at the end of today. So Instagram, you have question 1 to 20 to pick from. What number are you going for?
Prince, any idea?
Number
Prince.
2.
Number what?
Number 2.
Number 2.
Okay.
Question number 2. And just to know, this is chemical combination. So let's go. Question number 2. It reads, what does the law of conservation of mass state? Mass can be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. B. Mass is conserved in a chemical reaction. C. Mass is conserved only in physical reactions. D. Mass is lost in a chemical reaction. What is your answer? Your time starts now.
B.
B. What is B?
Mass
is
is
conserved
conserved
in a chemical
in
reaction.
reaction.
Is that your final answer?
Yes. Good luck. What we have?
Yes. I agree with you.
Final answer? All right. And the right answer is B. 2 points. All right, TikTok, your question.
1.
Question number 1. Which of the following is a combination reaction? A. 2Na plus chlorine give you 2 sodium chloride. B. 2 hydrogen plus oxygen give you 2 H2O. C. Caco3 give you Caco plus CO2. What's the right answer? Your time starts now.
Joseph, what do you think?
I'm thinking it's sodium chloride.
Is that your final answer?
A.
Let's go with B.
A or B? Is it that A or B?
Which one should we go with?
A.
Final answer?
Yes, A.
All right. So your final answer is A. The right answer is sodium plus chlorine giving sodium chloride. That's correct.
Nice one, favor.
Instagram, what's the question?
Question number 4.
Question number 4. What is the ratio of moles of elements in the formation of H2O from H2 and O2? A. 1:1. B. 2:1. C. 2:2. D. 1:2. What is your answer? Your time starts now.
Prince, what do you think?
A.
A. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. The right answer is B. 2:1. All right. TikTok, what's the question?
Question
Joseph, you can
7.
pick.
7?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number 7. Which of the following is a product of the combination of sodium and chlorine? A. NaOH. B. NaCl. C. Na2O. D. Na2CO3. What's the correct answer? Time start now.
B. NaCl.
NaCl.
What do you
Let's
say?
Yes,
C.
NaCl.
final answer.
Yes.
The right answer is NaCl. 2 points. All right, Instagram.
Number 3.
Number 3. Which of the following reactions is an example of a synthesis reaction? Look at the screen and see which of them is a reaction of a synthesis reaction. A. 2H2 plus O2 giving you 2H2O. B. Sodium chloride give you Na plus NaCl2. C. CaCO3 giving you CaO plus CO2. D. Zinc plus hydrogen chloride giving you zinc chloride plus hydrogen. Your time start now.
The answer is A. 2H2 plus O2 minus 2H2.
Okay, so the answer is A. Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I agree with you.
Correct answer is A. That is 2 points. Talk. Your question.
14.
Question number 14. The law of definite proportion is also called A. Dalton's law. B. Law of chemical combination. C. Law of conservation of mass. D. Avogadro's law. Your time starts now.
Law of constant composition.
Constant is not there.
The answer is not here now.
That's what I'm also thinking. I hope you've not read something.
Sir, please check.
I
The
think-
answer is not there.
The law of definite proportion is also called, it has various names.
I know
There's a way you program this.
Constant. This one is there. Then Luzak gave something.
Yes, Geluzak's law. Yes, I know that. I know what you're saying, but it has other names you can also call it.
What should we go with? What should we go with?
I don't know. I don't know any name here.
Let's go with Avogadro's law then.
Yeah, okay.
Final answer?
Yes. Law of. Yes, sir.
That happens sometimes. You pick the question that favor you. Sometimes you pick the one that does not also favor you. All right. So the right answer to that question is the law of chemical combination. So it's also kind of like a synonymous name It's not like more like a chemical name. It's more like a synonyms name for that definite proportion. So you have different types. It can apply or it can be appeared in its form, different format. So that is your answer is B. So you'd have done maybe elimination method. You know already Dalton's law deals with gases. Avogadro's law also deals with moles. And then the conservation of mass cannot be part of it because you're talking about that definite proportion. Instagram, what is the question?
Number 11.
Number 11. Which of the following is a balanced form of the equation for the formation of water? A, H2 plus O2 give you H2O. B, read it and give me the answer. Your time start now.
Prince, I think it's A. What do you think?
I think it's A.
Is that your final answer?
I think it's B. B is 2H2 plus O2, which gives 2H2O. Or no, it's A, yes. A,
I think
yes.
it's A too.
Final answer?
A.
A. All right. So you say your final answer is A. Let's see how correct that is.
Okay, sir. I think
Your time slot is passed already. So you said A. So the question is, which of the number 11? The question is which of the following is a balanced form of the equation for the formation of water? The right answer is B, because balanced form is not balanced. The A is not balanced, but the B is balanced, so that is 0. Okay, TikTok, your question.
Question 8.
Question 8. Which of the following is not an example of a chemical combination reaction? A, 2Na plus chlorine giving you 2 sodium chloride. B, H2 plus O2 giving you H2O. C, 2H2O giving you 2H2 plus O2. D, C plus CO plus O2 give you CO2. What's the right answer? Your time starts now.
Favor, what do you think the answer is?
I'm looking at B.
Same here.
It's B.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Which of the following is not an example of a chemical combination reaction? So the right answer is C. So that is 0. Look at it. Combination. You have in the reaction side, you have 2 reactants. In all of them, you have 2 reactants. And in the products, you have 1 product. So if you look at a different one there, is that of the C that is different.
Daddy, C is what? C is what? Sorry, sir. C is what?
The C is 2H2O giving you 2H2 plus O2. So Instagram, what number are you picking?
Number 6.
Number 6. Which law states that in a chemical reaction, the elements combine in a fixed proportion by mass? A, law of multiple proportion. B, law of definite proportions. C, law of conservation of mass. D, Gay-Lussac's law. Your time starts now.
B, law of definite proportions.
Okay, so you say your final answer is law of definite proportion. Let's see if that is correct. The correct answer is law of definite proportion. That's the point. Talk.
20.
20. Number 20. What type of chemical reaction is 2 sodium plus chlorine giving you 2 sodium chloride? A, decomposition. B, combustion. C, combination. D, displacement. Your time start now.
Combination C.
Combination. Final answer?
Yes, combination.
Final answer, combination. Let's see how true that is. The correct answer is combination. That is 2 points. Instagram.
question number 12.
Number 12. The empirical formula of a compound is A, the formula with the smallest whole number ratio of atoms. B, the molecular formula. C, the ratio of elements in the compound. D, the number of moles of each element. Your time start now.
A, the formula with the smallest whole number ratio.
Final answer?
Yes, sir.
A, yes.
Okay. You say your answer, your final answer is A. Let's see. A is the correct answer. So that is 2 points. TikTok.
Joseph.
Question 13.
Question 13. In the reaction 2Na plus chlorine give you 2Na chloride, what is the product? A, sodium chloride. B, sodium. C, chlorine gas. D, sodium hydroxide. Your time start now.
Sodium chloride. A. What do you think, Favor?
I don't know. Yeah, sodium chloride. The product is NaCl.
Yeah.
Yes. NaCl.
Final answer?
Right. Yes.
The correct answer is sodium chloride. 2 points. Instagram.
9.
Number 9. The ratio of mass of hydrogen to oxygen in water is A, 1:8. B, 1:16. C, 2:1. D, 8:1. Your time start now.
2:1. D, original oxygen. 2:1.
Is that your final answer? Is that your final answer?
No,
Yes.
sir. I go with A. Prince.
No, it's
1:8.
C, 2:1.
What's the final answer? Your time is about to end.
I think
2:1.
Final answer.
C.
2:1. C, right? Is that your final answer?
Yes, it's 2:1.
Okay, all right. 2:1. Your final answer. Let's see how correct that is. The answer is 1:8. So that is 0 point for Instagram. All right, TikTok.
16.
Which of the following is true according to the law of constant composition? A. The composition of a given compound varies. B. The composition of a given compound is always the same. C. The elements combine in any proportion. D. The mass of product is always more than a reactant. Your time starts now.
I think the answer is B. Favor.
Yes.
I think the answer is B.
Final answer?
Law of constant composition. Composition of a given compound is always the same.
I don't know.
We go with B.
B. The composition of a given compound is always the same. Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, let's see how true that is. The right answer is B. 2 points.
Nice
Instagram.
one.
Question number 19.
Question number 19. Which of the following is a product of the reaction between iron and sulfur? A. FeSO4. B. Fe2S3. C. Fe2O3. D. FeS2. Your time starts now.
I go with D, sir.
Final answer?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you said you go with D. Let's see how correct that is. The right answer is B. That is 0. So TikTok, your question.
Question 15.
Question number 15. In which of the following reactions are 2 or more reactants combined to form a single product? A. Synthesis. B. Decomposition. C. Combustion. D. Displacement.
The answer is A. Synthesis. What do you think, Favor?
Yeah, synthesis.
Synthesis.
Combination
Final
of synthesis
answer?
reaction. Synthesis, yes.
Final answer?
Yes, synthesis.
Yes, sir.
Synthesis. Okay, let's see. The right answer is synthesis. 2 points. Instagram.
Number 17.
Number 17. What is formed when a metal reacts with a non-metal in a combination reaction? A. Salt. B. Oxide. C. Water. D. Both A and B. Your time starts now.
Prince, what do you think? I go with D.
Yes, both A and B.
Is that your final answer?
Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Let's see if that is correct. The right answer is both A and B. So 2 points. All right, TikTok.
What numbers are remaining, sir?
Okay, we have 5. We have 5, 10, and 18.
5.
Which of the following is an example of a decomposition reaction? A. 2H2O giving you 2H2 plus O2. B. Sodium chloride plus AgNO3 giving you nano3 plus Ag chloride. C. Kako plus CO2 giving you CaCO3. D. 2H2 plus O2 giving you H2O. Your time starts now.
The answer is A. What do you think, Favor?
No, it's not A.
Do you know why I said the answer is A? Because
Why?
position it has to do with breaking down. So the reactant side, we have like
Water decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen gas. That's number 1. Water decomposes
Yes.
into hydrogen and oxygen gas, and it's not number 2.
I'm actually think the answer is A, but if you think it's not correct, let's go with hello.
I think it's gone off.
Oh, God.
Network.
And I didn't even hear what option she wanted to go with.
Okay, you can stand for her. What's the final answer? Assuming it's just you, because she's left now. She's
I'm
not
going-
here, so
I'm going with A.
you're going with A. All right. And the correct answer to this question is A. So that is 2 points. All right. Instagram.
10.
Now it's 2 of you here, so Instagram, you have to pick for your team.
Number 10.
Which of the following is a correct example of the law of multiple proportion? A. CO and CO2. B. H2O and H2O2. C. Sodium chloride and NaOH. D. All of the above. Your time starts now.
Prince,
I
what
go
do you
with
think?
D.
Okay.
I go with D.
Is D your final answer?
Yes, sir, I agree with you.
All right, let's see if that is correct. Correct answer is D. 2 points. TikTok, you have the last question, which is going to be 18. Balanced chemical equation for the combination of magnesium with oxygen is A. 2Mg plus O2 giving you 2MgO. B. Mg plus O2 giving you MgO. C. Mg plus 2O2 giving you MgO. D. 2Mg plus O2 giving you Mg2O3. Your time starts now.
Answer is A.
The answer is A. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. The correct answer is A. So that is 2 points for TikTok. All right, so let's make a summation. We are done with all the questions. You guys did great, and I really want to appreciate you guys for the effort. It's really awesome. I thought you guys would be able to use a pen and paper, but obviously you didn't, which means you got some magnetic brains and some smart brains up there. I will have to make the summation right now, and then we'll call off the winner for today that will qualify to meet with the Facebook team by tomorrow. So give me a moment. Let's make the summation. All right. So this is a very tight contest, I must confess. Like, this is very tight. You guys did great. You guys did awesome. And before I call the final results, let me hear from you. Prince, how do you feel about this contest? How do you feel now? How do you feel? Exhausted, excited, inspired, motivated, depressed, da 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 da? What do you think?
I feel inspired and motivated, yes.
Inspired and motivated in what way?
In a positive way. I've learned so much today.
Learned so much today. That's good. That's awesome, I would say. And then, Timothy, how do you feel about today?
Well, most part of the competition I was tense, and in a way I feel like even though I did well, there were some questions that I was surprised that I didn't get the correct answers to. Like, but all the same, I feel like there's always a room to improve and to actually learn more.
Perfect. That's good. Good luck. How about you?
Well, it was exciting, sir. I had fun.
Nice. So, how do you feel in general? Motivated, depressed, happy, excited? Like,
I feel happy.
Just you feel happy. Nice.
Yes, sir.
All right, Favor, how about you?
No, it was okay. It was okay. It was tense, but okay.
Tense, but okay. Yeah.
Because I
can
was
observe
outside. I was sweating. I was tense. My battery was getting low, but it was other than that. It was okay.
Okay,
Myself,
perfect.
was inside, so I'm also sweaty. I had to try and get
Oh my goodness, incredible. Yeah. So I'm so happy you guys, first of all, for you guys to take the courage to get to this point and really want to compete and contest. I really like that. That's really encouraging. That tells a lot about your personality. And from what I saw about how you guys work together, I see there was a great understanding amongst you guys. There's a great understanding amongst you guys, and that is a very, very good, very, very nice personality or nice understanding and a perfect quality about how you guys behave. And that tells a lot. You know, that tells a lot about how you guys behave, and it shows that you guys work as a team, which has been able to prove the fact that team playing is a quality that you guys had, because I see some of you giving the wrong answer and your partner did not complain. He still moved on, hoping to beat up again from the next question. No complaints. That tells a lot about your team playing ability and patience. Okay, so it tells a lot about it. And communication. You see, I see many of you ask your partner, what do you think? He said, oh, yes, it's good. Oh, no, it's not good. That tells a lot about your communication skills. So this is not only to win or not to win. It tells a lot about some quality in you that you discover about yourself, and that is the major goal of this competition. All right, having that in mind, so we can be able to know who will be going to the second round by tomorrow. So one of you, the winner for today's contest, will be meeting with Facebook, and not the loser, I don't want to use the word loser, the second for today's contest will be meeting with YouTube by tomorrow, but YouTube is the second for that. All right, so now at the end of the contest, that of the chemical combination, TikTok team came up with 16 points, and then the Instagram team came up with 12 points. So in total, the TikTok team, adding the chemical combination and the separation, we're going to have 34 points for TikTok, and then for that of Instagram, we're going to have 26 points. You guys did great.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. All the best.